Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm really excited to be here today because I had not planned on reaching this goal until maybe December of 2019. That's kind of when I set the goal for. I didn't want to be presumptuous that I would be good at this and that I would gain subscribers at any rate. So I set it for an entire year of being with YouTube, 12 months, and I am at my 6-month mark and I reached 1,000 subscribers. So I wanted to come in front of you guys today and say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, leaving such sweet and supportive comments. It means so much to me. I don't know, this community and this niche that we're in, it feels like such a supportive place to be. I love talking to so many other women on here who do the cleaning as well, and it's just a fun community to be a part of, and I really appreciate all you guys who wanted to stick around for my channel. And to commemorate that, I wanted to go ahead and get you guys something. I'm only going to give one person something, but I want to tell all of y'all that I appreciate every single one of you. So even if you don't win, you're still appreciated. I went ahead and ordered something from Grove Collaborative for you guys, and I actually ordered this a very long time ago, but it took me a very long time to get it. And I want to go ahead and tell you guys why, in case there's a viewer out there who doesn't know this yet and hasn't signed up with Grove, or who does have a Grove Collaborative membership. So I just recently learned, whenever I didn't get your guys' gift in when I had planned it to be here, I called them and talked to them about my membership and why my orders had been being messed up lately. And I recently just found out that Grove Collaborative will no longer be delivering to people who live on military bases or military installations. I live on a military base, so from here on out I can't get my orders to my door. I have to get an off-base address for them to be sent to. So that's why it took me so long to get this video out to you guys, and also just to get the gift in general. So how do you win the gift? You have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below with the word mint, M-I-N-T. And the reason why that is the word for the giveaway is because I picked up the Mrs. Meyer's 3-piece scent in mint. You'll get the hand soap, the dish soap, and the all-purpose cleaner. I was pleasantly surprised with how good this smelled when I got it in. I'd heard everyone talking about it all over YouTube, and they were like ranting and raving about it, about how good it smelled. It smelled clean. It wasn't like the typical mint smell you'd think of, and it truly isn't. It's so refreshing. I was so glad that I got this stuff in for myself as well. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. And then I also went ahead and picked you guys up a caddy so that you had a place to put your cleaning supplies. And I thought that the mint looked so cute with the spring colors of this tin. It is such an adorable little tin. So you'll get that and the 3-piece set. And again, I need you to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and then also leave a comment below with the word mint in it, M-I-N-T. So if you'd like to win this, follow those 3 steps, and good luck to you. I'm going to be putting this up on a Sunday, and then I will end it the following Sunday. So you have an entire week to enter to win, and I don't have a set time of when I'm going to be ending it on Sunday. It'll just be when I can get a chance to sit in front of you guys and do the random comment picker, so that it'll be a non-biased pick. I'm just going to throw it into the website and let it pick for me. So if you would like to win, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below. Thank you guys again so much for helping me reach this goal. It means the world to me. I hope I see you guys stick around, and I will be posting a cleaning video here soon now that I have a new lighting kit, thanks to my husband for letting me invest in that, because I've been struggling so hard to get videos out for you guys, because the weather here has been so bad and my lighting is so terrible. So now I have like specific lighting that I can use at any time, day or night, and I'm excited to get some more videos out for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next one, and good luck with the giveaway. Thank you guys.